Hey, how's it going, guys? Saad here, and you're gonna learn about has method in the handler object. So, as you know, handler makes trap for the other operators. So, in this case, it's in operator. So, what we're gonna do is moving on. Just remove all of this. Const handler one, name it as handler one, and make an object of a handler. We will make has. Inside that, what we're gonna do is target comma key, and after that what we're gonna do is if key geo equals this. So as of now, you maybe understand that what we are gonna doing. I think, don't those who don't understand, just see, you will get it what I'm doing. So after that, what we're gonna do is here, if nothing, return key in target. When we do that, now from this we need to create a monster. I mean, not a monster, but object as a monster. So it's monster1 equals, inside that what we're gonna do is secret. Now you hope you understand that it will check that key is this can be a key, and if that have a this, it will return false, like that. So this is what it does. And now easily scared, see, this is how monster works, you know. And I count, and it would be equals 4. So just give it 4 years. It's totally up to you, you know. After that, what we're gonna do is const create a proxy and use the new operator and use the constructor method to create a proxy, and inside that we will put monster1 comma handler1. When we do that, you know, it just make proxy connection and put those of them. And now what we're gonna do is log it on a console. I count, and in proxy 1. So when we do that, it's gonna check, it says true, because, you know. And now after that, if we check like is that secret, see, is that secret gonna work or not? What the heck? Yeah, now secret in proxy 1, it will check on proxy, it's gonna say false, as you know here. And that's it, guys. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.